everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you an unboxing of another Farfetch purchase. This is, as you can probably guess from the label here on the packaging and the size, yes, it is a handbag. This is a handbag that I specifically was looking for as my rainy day bag. So I was very much wanting a particular type of bag that is a tote size, a tote style type of bag that can fit an umbrella. I wanted to be of a leather quality that doesn't, a leather type that doesn't require much pampering, that can probably withstand a bit of rain splash. So this ended up being the tote bag from Marc Jacobs that I've decided to choose. I was also attracted to the unique color of this bag. It just gives me a feeling of rainy days, that aqua blue type of color there. So I think most of you are already familiar with the tote bag from Marc Jacobs. Really is one of their classic style, very popular because it's just so easy to use. It actually fits a whole lot in there. And you can see from the note here, it's actually dispatched directly from Marc Jacobs in Japan. That's why it comes with the original packaging, as well as the dust bag and the sticker also from Marc Jacobs. Now the tote bag comes with a shoulder strap, also in leather. Same color with silver hardware that's got the brand name Marc Jacobs engraved onto the hardware. Look, this one has a magnetic magnet actually within this side strap there, which you can actually sort of just holds that zipper in place to the side, so you don't have, so it's a bit more tidy. It looks a little bit more elegant rather than having the end of the zipper hanging out. But what I don't like it is the area where you attach the hook to. If you do that with the zipper there, it just blocks it from blocks the track of the zipper, so you have to clip it sort of on the side, but then it kind of doesn't look very symmetrical when you do that. It's a bit out of place, so that's why when I use this bag, I kind of tend to just put the tail end of the zipper on the side there to hide it, so it just looks a little bit more tidy. But then the problem is when you do this, then when you try to zip up the zipper, you do have to use your hand to sort of hold the end of the zipper in place, if that makes sense, so that you can actually pull the zipper to a closed position. Whereas if you leave it hanging by the magnet, you don't need to use your hand to sort of hold the tail end of the zipper to close the zipper, but then it kind of looks a bit messy and out of place with the metal strap sort of not centered when you do that. So I hope I've made sense there. Sorry, that was a bit of mumble jumble, but I hope from what I'm showing you on the screen, you kind of can make sense of what I was trying to say. Yeah, so I guess this is one of the design flaw I would have to say about this Marc Jacobs tote bag is the positioning of the metal D-ring for hooking the shoulder strap is not very well thought. With the positioning of the magnet, which allows the end of the zipper to be secured to the outside of the bag. Now the lining is all leather, and then you do have a side pouch there, a little compartment to store smaller items, but which is in fabric, with a patch of leather for the brand, but otherwise, all the inner lining is leather of a similar color to the outside. So the side little pouch compartment there, as you can see, it's useful for storing small items like cards and little bits and bobs. The bottom doesn't have feet, so that's just something to bear in mind. But I think because the leather is quite a thick and durable leather, I think it probably doesn't scratch that easily. So without the feet, it should be okay. So the pattern, there's one has a large branding of Marc Jacobs embossed into it, and the other has the smaller sort of label. Depends on what you like. If you like to show the brand of the bag, so you would carry it in such a way that you showcase that brand name. Whereas if you want it to be little bit more low-key, then you can carry it the other way around. I think both ways of carrying it is nice. It really depends on your own personal preference. Now, one thing I need to do with this tote bag is buying a shaper for the inside, which I'll probably get one that has a different compartment so that it allows me to organize the handbag and items in my handbag a bit better, because as you can see, as with any tote bag, it's just one big compartment, mainly with a side little pouch for tinier items. I'll need to sort of purchase an organizer online. And also, I guess if I'm going to be using it for my rainy day bag, potentially, even though I do have a cover for the umbrella, there may still be sort of some potential water and splashes, and given the lining is also in leather, it's probably good to get an organizer just to protect it a little bit. Yeah, look, I think overall I find the quality is quite good so far. Just when I'm examining all the stitchings, it's pretty well made, it would appear. So just doing some mod shots for you all to show, and excuse my homeware. Just really wanted to kind of show you how it looks. So yeah, very very simple, and I've adjusted the straps so that I can wear it crossbody. As I said, you can wear it with the branding on the outside. You do have quite a few holes there that you can adjust the shoulder strap to your preferred length, and adjusting it is quite simple. It's like a belt buckle that you just pull the little metal knob out of the hole and adjust it. This is definitely a keeper. I've really looked around and really kind of decided based on my needs, my budget, because I definitely don't think I'll want to spend very luxury high-end pricing on a bag that I'm planning to use on a rainy day. Like, I really want it to be quite carefree, that I'm not worried about damaging it. So yeah, if you want to be a bit more low-key when wearing the bag, you can just flip it around, and so that you show only the small detail with the brand name, rather than the big detail that says the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. Now certainly you can just use it as a handheld bag instead, which I think it's quite cute. But because I do prefer to have my hands free, I will most likely wear it as a shoulder or crossbody bag. But it's good to have options, and I could definitely see that this may be something that a bag that I could just grab and go for grocery shoppings or something like that. So this is it from me today. I'll put some mod shots at the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me, and thank you for spending your time with me today. I hope you have a very good day wherever you are. Bye.